Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
What's going on, people? Welcome back. This is Influence. Today I have the Sony WF-1000XM3s. That's a long name. But they're wireless, noise canceling headset. You know how I like to do reviews? I like to tell you in the beginning what it is so you don't have to watch the whole video if you don't want to. These are great headphones. I really like them. The sound quality is great. And you can also mix and match. You can equalize. They have equalizer. You can also use your phone's internal equalizer to change the sound quality so you can pretty much get it how you want. Noise canceling is excellent. Way better than my Buds, Galaxy Buds. I love the Buds, but these are noise canceling are better and they're more money, so it should be better. Let's get into why all those things. So first, what you get in the box, you get the actual headphones. So I got some Sony branding on the top. It's a nice case. The only issue is you have to have it upside down in order to rest it on the table or something. But that works because the charger's right here. So I think that's by design. Sometimes I try to put it up like this because it's just natural, because this is the top. Open it up, you have the Buds charging. When you open, they're easily has the red and the L, well, the R and the L, and it's red and white. So you know automatically what side is what. You don't have to fool around. There's a red R somewhere on here. There it is. I couldn't find it. But yeah, there's a red R on there, so you know. You see the pins, so you just drop them in. It's magnetic. They're not coming out, shaking. Drop them in. So Sony claims you get 6 hours of life on the actual earbuds and 18 hours on the case. So you can charge it up a few times after it runs down without charging up the case. So that's great. That's normal for these type of headphones. Usually the case charges them up. So what you get in the box, we can go through that. Of course, you get the case and headphones, which is what's in there. You get this right here, which is the charging wire. You get all the books, and you get the ear tips, which these are very important because you have to find the right one in order for the noise cancellation to work 100% correctly. At first, they have a few. There's actually a lot. I like that they have a good assortment. These are hard. The black ones are a little harder. These are a little softer. So if you like a little softer tip, it works. What's on the ones I have on here are the largest ones that you can get for the more softer type. At first, I put the largest one with the, more rigid piece, and it didn't work. Like the noise cancellation, I could hear ambient noise still, and that was an issue, and I didn't know why. So I just tried all of them, and these are the ones that seal it the best, and I can't hear anything. When I'm in the basement, I have an air conditioning unit that runs. Sometimes it's summertime here, and it's loud in the basement when you're in the basement. So when I put these in, I could not hear that unit. So I'm sure they would be great on an airplane if you're an avid traveler. I know now it's a little iffy with traveling, but if you are into that and you need some noise canceling headphones, I think these are a great choice. I know there's better ones, but there's also better money. You got to spend better money. There's that. So you do have the ambient sound, which you can change, and then you can talk to people. You can hear people. We're going to get into the app. So here the app open. It's just called headphones. It's Sony in the store. So you have your battery percentages, and of course, then you have the adaptive sound. You could change different things. This is adaptive sound control, which I have off. My lady says she didn't like that feature because it changes when it thinks you want it to change. So here you have the different modes. You can use their equalizer. You have vocal, relaxed, mellow, excited, bright. You can read it. You can turn it off so it's flat. You can have 2 custom settings. Have it on custom 2, of course. Then they have a feature where they analyze your ears, so it optimizes 360 audio, which only certain apps can take advantage of that 360 audio. And you can prioritize sound quality or connection. So it'll be a little less sound quality, but it'll stabilize your connection if you have a terrible connection or something. Something's messing with it. I don't know. So then you go in the system and you can change what each bud does. You have the left and the right. You can change on the C. I like the playback controls on the right and the ambient sound on the left. But as you saw, when you push you can assign a number of things to each bud, depending on what you want to do. You have the power off, and you also have different languages. You can pause it and show all the languages that it can speak to you through, because it tells you when it's connected. It tells you different things, and it has the assistant built in. They do survive the workout test also. I cut grass in these, moving my head all around, sweating, and they did not fall out. They didn't slide out. There's a few other wireless headphones or earbuds that do slide out when I'm cutting the grass, so that was a plus. All in all, I think these are great headphones if this is what you're looking for. It's just the Sony WF-1000XM3s. They do got Alexa built in also. So I appreciate you joining me for this short review, and I recommend these. All right.
Ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.